Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at the LG Tone Free Enhanced Active Noise Cancellation Earbuds. And it does come with the UV Nano that kills 99.9% of bacteria. It comes with Meridian, and it does charge fast, and it plays up to 10 hours, and it's IPX4. And let's take a look. Once we open the box, we can see right away the case with the earbuds. And it does have a nice matte black finish. And underneath it has some cables. You have two different cables, and then a bag with instructions and extra silicone ear gels. Large, medium, and small, and both ears do not necessarily have to be the same size. You can be large on one side and medium on the other, or any other sizes, so play around to see which one is best for you. The instructions are for 3 different types of earbuds, and it is nicely explained how to pair them, how to use the application, and what you can do on each side of the earbud. And it does come with a limited warranty. And the earbuds, the case is nice and smooth. It looks pretty cool. It does have a little light that says UV Nano. And you have the USB-C cable to plug in there, and a button for the 3.5 jack, or a headphone jack. Once you open them, right away you see the light, the UV light on, and the earbuds have a very nice finish all throughout. And the buttons, you don't even have to push the buttons. All you have to do is semi-press it, so you don't have to push in your canal. To pair them, it was easy. All you have to do is long press the left channel until it starts pairing, and once you download the application, it asks you if you want to pair the earbuds, and all you have to do is say OK. The USB-C cable is to charge the case and the earbuds. And the other cable is the USB-C, where you can plug that into the case. And on the other side, if you're in a plane, you can just plug it into there. Or if you're at a gym, and these are noise canceling. And I like how they look. I like how they feel. I like how deep the bass can be, but you can play around with it. One of the really nice things I like about this is that it has the noise canceling. You can be on a plane, a train, anywhere you are. All you have to do is turn on the noise cancelling, and it works very well. If you do want the ambient sound like I do when I'm running, just turn that on so you can hear your surroundings while you're listening to music. The people on the other side of the phone call didn't notice that I actually had my earbuds on, so that's how clear they are. The application is pretty cool because it tells you how much battery life you have on the case and how much battery you have on the earbuds. And it's very easy to use, by the way. Overall, the earbuds are awesome. I really like them. They're very small. They are very comfortable. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.